Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Mediaco Holding Inc. and the big question is should I buy this stock or what's the stock update or news over here, and that is what we are going to discuss in this particular video. But primarily, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now there has been some noise if you are looking at this stock, and you will see volatility is definitely one of the important aspect if you are looking at the overall chart, and primarily this stock has been moving in between a range over here. So what do we have as far as the stock trend or forecast is concerned? Let me show it to you. So looking at the primary levels we have here, these are some of the important levels which you need to look at, and the lower end of the range or the base are the most important levels we have here. So primarily 4.84 is going to be your immediate support, and then we have a 4.49, right? So these are going to be the two important levels that we have over here. If the stock falls below 4.49, we then have our next support range that is in between 3.4 and $3, and finally the stop loss we have here is 2.29. Now I've already told you that the stock has been moving in between a range, so each and every level has its own importance. It is not like the stock is not going to test this level or that level, because in between a range everything is possible. So if the stock is taking support in spite of volatility and started moving higher, then it is showing a confidence, but it does not mean that the stock cannot go lower. That's the first thing. Second thing we have here is, because the stock has been trading in between a range, until and unless the stock moves beyond this range, we cannot go. Okay, so we cannot go beyond this range until and unless the stock itself makes a move either on the upside or on the downside. Now as far as the trends in the stock forecast is concerned, chart is concerned, you have 2 or 3 primary targets that we are going to look at over here. So if the stock continues to sustain above 4.84, what do we have here are 3 primary targets, starting with 6.77, then we have 7.78, and we have a $9 on the upside. So this is what we have here as far as stock targets are concerned primarily. And if there is a move beyond $9, what do we have? So beyond $9 we will have some sharp movements going forward, and the 2 big targets as far as the overall price chart is concerned are 12.42, and the higher end of the range is $17. So as you can see that the stock has been moving in between $2 on the downside and $17 on the upside. So this is a specific range in between which the stock is moving, and if you want to trade in this particular range or at this particular range, you have to respect the levels. So on the upside, as of now, you will have a stretched target till $17. But let me tell you one thing, you can see the volatility and the spikes where the stock probably does not sustain at the higher end of the range. So do not forget to book your profits and let the stock decide whether it want to go higher or lower. Then you take your move. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.